Hello and welcome to Burnishing Tutorial. After watching this video you will be able to create realistic metallic effects with minimum effort. The best thing about the technique we are about to demonstrate is you can correct any mistakes. This is impossible if one is using standard metallic colors. Looking for that burnished metal look on your model? You are on the right channel. To give our model a metallic look, we will need VMS pigment number 25 and enamel binders matte effects. Mix pigment with the binders to create weathering liquid. Alternatively, you may use our ready-made weathering liquid, pigment jockey number 10. To create the metallic effect, we'll employ the so-called dry brush technique. Get rid of most of the liquid like so. Please note, any kind of weathering is best conducted over a varnished model. We recommend VMS Varnish HD for best results. Now gently brush over protruding areas such as these lugs. Brush over paper to dry the brush as you go. We will apply excessive color over this little copula to demonstrate how to reverse the process. We will show the correction technique later in the video. Unlike classic metallic colors, which are permanent and hard to control, VMS products offer a hassle-free process. You can always go back and correct your pigment jobs. Brush over all areas you see fit. The amount of burnished metal effect is up to you. Hatches and handles are usually heavily used and burnished metal effect will look great on them. This is also true for armor plating in the vicinity of the hatches. Cast texture can also be burnished, and it will look great. Toolboxes and edges of the vehicle will also benefit from the technique. It's time to actually burnish and bring out our metallic color. We are using a simple cotton bud. Sheen will appear instantly, you just need to rub over the pigment you applied earlier. This step is pure modeling joy. Remember this copula? We will burnish it as well and correct in a few minutes. To correct excessive effects, we will be using VMS Universal Weathering Carrier, standard type. Don't like an effect? Simply wipe it away and refine your model. That's that. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.